Hi everyone, today we are quickly going over the filament runout sensor, this part right here, this white part right here. The way it works is that you're printing for like maybe 5 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours. And it would suck if for whatever reason you run out of filament. So you can see that I am definitely going to run out of filament right here. When the filament sensor runs out, it will stop the machine or pause the machine so that you can quickly reload your filaments and then continue with the print. When the filament is in, this is the white filament that I'm feeding in as for this recording. When the filament is in, you can see that the blue light is lit. I don't know, let me dim the light down. There you go. Now you can see the blue light is lit. When the filament is not there, then it will turn off the LED to let you know there's no filament, and of course the Octopi will know that there's no filament as well. Connection is really simple. It's just 3 wires, one for the power, ground, and then sensor. So it all goes into the Raspberry Pi here. I will show you the schematics. My setup is relatively simple. The filament starts from the top. It goes down into this metal wire. It's a filament guide. The metal wire hooks onto the extruder. So when the extruder goes up and down, the filament guide goes up and down as well. So continuing on, it goes into this sponge cleaner, and then the filament would go into this filament sensor. And then the filament would ultimately go into the extruder itself. I placed mine all the way out here so that if it runs out, I would have some filament left so I can just yank it out. Now that we're done with the hardware part, let's look at the software part. Go ahead and go into your Octopi plugin section. Start looking for the filament sensor reload. Install it. Restart your Raspberry Pi. Go into the G code section and start adding these codes in. Hopefully this video helps you with your next 3D prints. So now you'll never be scared of filament running out because you have this, and it'll pause your print, and then later you can just resume. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching.